Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering both the case and the Boult Audio Q buds. Make sure they have at least 50% charge so pairing won't fail midway. Once done, open the case and press the multi-function button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts the buds into pairing mode. Now, on your phone or source device, enable Bluetooth and keep it close, roughly 1 meter. This preserves a clean handshake and avoids dropouts during discovery. You'll now move to the device side. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and scan for new devices. When your Boult Audio Q appears, often labeled exactly or with a slight variant, tap its name to initiate pairing. You should hear an audible cue from the buds confirming connection. If the phone asks for permission or PIN, accept or enter 0000 when prompted. Once paired, the LED will stabilize and your device will show connected, which means audio routing is ready. Finish by testing. Play music and make a quick call to verify both audio and microphone function. This confirms left/right channels and voice routing work. If you get no sound, disconnect from Bluetooth, toggle your device's Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect. This often clears conflicts. If pairing fails repeatedly, perform a factory reset by holding the multi-function button for 10 seconds until LEDs flash a reset pattern, then repeat pairing steps. That single reset fixes most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.